So this is Poros. If you go with the sailing boats, it's about 3 hours away from Athens in direction southwest. This is a really historic place. Now I just want to have a coffee before we set sail and go out from here and to a bay to get some swimming done. The crew is really great. 10 people from Minnesota, Illinois, Colorado and New York. And then this Norwegian skipper. It's really good to be back in Greece again. I love this place. Tonara, 1 double espresso please. So this is how it looks like when you cannot find a normal job. When you have to do something else, and then you have to do something out of the mainstream, then you go with a guy like this. He's one of my shipmates.
And an assistant chef.
Yes. And what are we making now? A mess or a good? We don't know yet.
A good dinner, chef carbonara.
Oh yeah. So of course, obviously, here goes the pasta eventually. And now I'm gonna watch you putting this into the pan. You're good.
Say hot pan.
This is how you do it. Looks great. It works. It's sufficient.
I think we have heat.
This is totally in progress towards being a captain's carbonara. Captain with friends.
You know this song, Captain?
Do I? Yeah. Oh, I do. Yes. I do.
Here. There is no life better than here. And every day I am so thankful to wake up and to enjoy life.
Routines that you can choose. Why not choose a good routine? It takes you straight to your dream.
No, and you know where I've been very lucky.
But we are happy.
We are happy.
Yeah.
You know, 30 years.
It's possible. Actually, it's possible.
Two beautiful children, a beautiful granddaughter, a beautiful view.
Yeah. I love you.
I love you.
Especially a view like this.
Yes.
Hey, good morning. Good morning here from Methana, out here on the Greek Sea, and looking now forward to get the boat through the last leg and back to Athens. It's a big boat though. As I know, come back to Norway, we will be focusing, going to the huge American event in Las Vegas for World Global Network. Is going to be on the 21st and 22nd of October. There are still some room available, still possible to join on this venture. Of course, this will be possible to join the venture for many years. But right at this moment, now as the whole thing really kicks off, I can absolutely encourage you, everybody, to join. So more updates are coming, of course, regarding the event. See you guys soon.